Well, hello there, and welcome to Gardening Glory. I'm so glad you've joined me today. Today we're going to explore 10 of the most beautiful plants that are just perfect for hanging baskets and containers. So let's grab our trowels and watering cans and dive in, shall we? Now, who can resist the charm of a string of pearls? This delightful succulent truly lives up to its name, with its trailing stems adorned with these fascinating pea-like leaves. Native to South Africa, the string of pearls thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for a spot that gets a bit of morning sun. Just let the soil dry out completely between waterings, and you'll have a happy and thriving plant. While they might look good enough to eat, they are mildly toxic, so it's best to keep them out of reach. Imagine this cascading over the edge of a hanging basket, catching the light and creating a mesmerizing display. If you're looking to add a vibrant splash of color to your hanging garden, then look no further than the cheerful petunia. These beauties are available in a dazzling array of colors, from soft pastels to bold and vibrant hues. Petunias are real sun worshippers, so make sure you place them in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Deadheading, or pinching off the spent blooms, is the key to keeping your petunias looking their best and encouraging more flowers to appear. Imagine a cascade of these vibrant blooms tumbling from a hanging basket, creating a breathtaking display. It's a sight that's guaranteed to lift the spirits. Ah, the fuchsia, a plant that exudes elegance and grace. With its striking pendulous flowers that resemble dancing ballerinas, it's no wonder this beauty is a firm favorite among gardeners. Fuchsias prefer a cool and shady spot, especially during the hottest part of the day. These beauties are also a favorite among our buzzing friends, the hummingbirds. So if you're looking to attract these delightful creatures to your garden, then a hanging basket adorned with fuchsias is the perfect invitation. Just picture this, a gentle breeze rustling the leaves as these exquisite flowers dance in the air. For a touch of lush greenery and a breath of fresh air, look no further than the elegant Boston fern. This graceful plant with its arching fronds adds a touch of the tropics to any setting. Boston ferns thrive in a humid environment, so misting them regularly is key, especially if you live in a dry climate. Did you know that Boston ferns are natural air purifiers? They're excellent at removing toxins from the air, making them a wonderful addition to any home. Imagine this lush fern gracing your porch or patio, its cascading fronds creating a sense of tranquility and peace. The spider plant, a true champion of easy care and endless charm. This adaptable houseplant is perfect for even the most novice gardener, and its air-purifying qualities make it a welcome addition to any home. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. One of the most fascinating things about spider plants is their ability to produce spiderets, or baby plants, on long stems. These little ones can be easily propagated, allowing you to share the joy of these plants with friends and family. Imagine a cluster of these vibrant plants hanging in your kitchen window, their spiderets dangling like tiny green spiders. If you're looking to create a sense of serenity and calm in your hanging garden, then look no further than the trailing lobelia. This delicate beauty, with its cascading blue flowers, is like a breath of fresh air. Trailing lobelia prefers a cool and shady spot, especially during the hottest part of the day. Just pinch back the stems occasionally to encourage bushier growth and a more abundant display of flowers. Imagine a cascade of these delicate blue blooms tumbling from a hanging basket, creating a mesmerizing waterfall of color. For a vibrant pop of color that's sure to turn heads, look no further than the ivy geranium. This cheerful plant, with its trailing habit and abundance of blooms, is a true showstopper. Ivy geraniums are sun worshippers, so be sure to place them in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. These beauties are available in a wide range of colors, from vibrant pinks and reds to soft pastels and even bi-colored varieties. Imagine a cascade of these vibrant blooms tumbling from a hanging basket, creating a breathtaking display. The string of hearts, a plant that truly captures the essence of delicate charm. With its trailing stems adorned with heart-shaped leaves, it's no wonder this beauty is a firm favorite among plant enthusiasts. Native to South Africa, the string of hearts thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. One of the most endearing things about the string of hearts is its ability to trail gracefully from hanging baskets or shelves, creating a mesmerizing cascade of heart-shaped foliage. Imagine this delicate beauty gracing your living room or bedroom, its trailing stems adding a touch of whimsy and romance to your decor. For a plant that offers both stunning foliage and bright, cheerful blooms, look no further than the begonia. These beauties come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a versatile choice for any garden. Begonias prefer a shady spot, especially during the hottest part of the day. One of the most fascinating things about begonias is the variety of leaf shapes and colors they offer. Imagine a hanging basket overflowing with these vibrant plants, their colorful foliage and cheerful blooms creating a breathtaking display. Last but certainly not least, we have the Dichondra Silver Falls, a plant that truly lives up to its name. With its cascading silvery foliage, it's like a waterfall of shimmering silver, adding a touch of magic to any garden. This trailing beauty thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-drained soil. The Dichondra Silver Falls is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways in the garden. Imagine this shimmering beauty gracing your patio or balcony, its silvery foliage catching the light and creating a mesmerizing display. Well, there you have it, 10 stunning plants that are just perfect for adding a touch of magic to your hanging gardens. Remember, gardening is a journey, not a destination. From my garden to yours, happy gardening!